In this video, I'll show you how to remove this shop will be powered by Shopify tags from the footer section of your password protected page. And for this example, I'm using Dawn Theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for Dawn Theme and then select three dots, then select edit code. Once the code editor loads, at the very top in the search, just type the following: main-password-footer. And there's the file. It's called main-password-footer.liquid. It's located inside the section folder right here. Once the file is open, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Look for the capture Shopify liquid tag. In my case, it's located in line 96. We're going to comment out everything all up until the small closing tag right here. To make this change, add space just above the capture Shopify liquid tag. Then add left and right curly braces. Then add two percentage signs. In between, type comment. Copy the comment tag. And paste it just under the small closing tag right here. And finally, instead of comment, just type end comment. End comment. As you can see, we've commented out the whole part of code. Now save the changes. Then go back to your website and try refreshing the password protection page. And as you can see, the shop will be powered by Shopify tags was removed from the password page. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.